Let me show you a new take, a new flavour combination on a beautiful pizza that will definitely put a smile on your face. 150 grams of self-raising flour in a bowl. We'll go in with 80 millilitres of water. Pour that in. I'm going to guess it, but 80 mils is perfect. A nice pinch of salt. Just use a fork to bring the flour and the water together. And we're going to make a nice, pliable, elastic dough. And as it gets kind of firm, like a dough, then get rid of the fork. And we're going to use our hand and just knead it for 2 minutes. It's unbelievably quick. You can see how now I've got quite a nice dough. It's elastic, it's smooth. So let that relax for a few minutes, then make sure your oven is on full whack. About 240 is perfect. So, flavour combo. First up, a beautiful Cumberland sausage. So I want a couple of nice sausages. I only need 2 for this recipe. So what I want to do with it is get it in a pan. I'll put it on a medium-high heat, and I'm going to pinch the end like this, and I'll squeeze out part of that sausage, right, to make essentially a meatball. And you'll get about 4 from each one. Get them heating up. Now, let me just wash my hands. Now, I'll put a little bit of olive oil in the pan just to get the party going. And then I just want to get a bit of colour on the sausages. I don't need to fully cook it through. So as those brown up, I'm just going to finely slice the red onion. Just do your best to go as thin as you can. Sprinkle into these lovely fats the red onion. You can do a little handful of pine nuts. Buds, what have you got, bro?
I've got some sun-dried tomato pesto.
Oh, nice. OK, I'll use that. Thank you, mate. So look, the secret ingredient is the grapes. And just a little handful is all you need straight into this pan. And that is basically your topping. So we'll put that to the side for 1 second. So, Buds, let me roll out this, and you can sprinkle these on top. Just come around here, beautiful boy. So with the dough here, it's had a little relax. And actually, for consistency, I would just flour it, and I'd roll it out. What I want is more of a kind of slipper shape, like an oval shape. So, Buds, if you can grab us a rolling pin and just roll it back and forth to about 30, 35 centimetres long, about 15 centimetres wide. There you go. Happy with that. So, Buds, if you can just put some oil in that tray and give it a little rub. Good lad. So I'll put Buddy's lovely homemade pesto onto the pizza. Just push this all over the topping like that. Then I've got this topping here, which I'm just going to shake on top like that.
I've never really had a pizza with the grapes on them before.
No.
Really excited to eat it.
Are you?
Yeah.
See, I was worried that you wouldn't like the grapes, but the thing is, once you try it, the sweetness, the saltiness, the whole kind of thing is beautiful. And there is one little linchpin that makes it all work that I nearly forgot. Rosemary. Rosemary and grapes, they're like a match made in heaven. The last thing you've got to do is mozzarella. Look at the colours.
So good.
Beautiful job. We've got a combo topping, which I promise you is a thing of beauty. Another great little tip. Put the gas hob on, right? And we're just going to start the heat on the pan for like a minute or 2, just to get it sizzling. That will guarantee you the most beautiful crispy bottom. So this will now go at the bottom of the oven. Do you want to rally the troops and I'll bring it out?
Yeah.
10 minutes is all I need in the oven.
Cool.
Bless you, big boy.
Mum, the pizza looks so good.
OK, 10 minutes up. Here she is. Come on, look at that. I like to use, like, the cooking scissors just to get in there and kind of, like, just snip away. Let's go for it. That combination is a game changer. I got pizza.
Delicious.
Buddy, your pesto's really good.
Good.
Well done, Buds.